What's up everybody, this is David again. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you how to create a ready-to-made filter using Google Sheets. Okay, as you know that I'm trading the stock market and I only look for two setups. One is a pullback where I buy weakness where the market pull back after a big breakout, or I buy into strength where the market the day before breaks out of their previous day high. So in order to show you what I mean, let me introduce you my simple setup. First of all, we're looking at strength. So this is a chart HMHC where the market breaks or retests previous day's high. So the previous day's high was 7.78, and what I meant was 2 days ago the previous day high was 7.78, and yesterday the market retested it at 7.840. So there is strength, and looking at the fact that there's volume also. So the 2 days ago the volume was at 1 million, about 1 million, and yesterday the volume was slightly 100k more than 2 days ago. So is this considered a bull strength setup? Yes. So if the market continues to rise after this level, I will look to buy. Okay, the other setup that I normally look for is weakness, where 2 days ago the market breaks out, and yesterday itself there's not enough momentum and the market pullback. So I'll show you another chart where I will look for this setup. Let me close this. Okay, so 2 days ago the market breaks out with pretty high volume at 18 million, and yesterday the market did a weak pullback with trading volumes about 7 million. So this is a good opportunity to buy into weakness. So we're looking at the breakout level at here, 4.34, or we're looking at another level which is here, or worse, a double bottom. So these are the two setups that I'm using my Google Sheets to help me identify weakness into a bull market and strength into a bull market. Okay, let's start. Okay, so right now, as you know, let me clear this first. Okay, right now what my Google Sheet does is basically it tracks all the yesterday's strength, yesterday's top gainers. But top gainers are useless to me because most of the moves has already been made. What I'm looking for is hopefully a bull strength in a bear market, or a bull strength in a channel market. So as you know, Google Sheets allow you to create filters. So Control A, select all, format, go to data tab, create filter. But as this goes on day by day, because I'm a day trader, it gets really boring. So I have to constantly do clear. Then if I'm looking into pullback, I have to click first green day, then it filters. Then after that I have to click on here, clear, then look for weakness, or which is okay, so this is weakness. Then okay, so, or I have to do this again, then look for strength like a red bar, then after that my signal bullish HC like I show you. Okay, so what Google Sheets allows you is to create a safe filtered view that you already prepared in advance. So what we do is filter views and create new filter view. Okay, wait, this is wrong. Give me a moment. Hey, I'm back. Okay. Now we go to filter views, and because this filter I'm looking at bull strength, it doesn't tell me whether the market is in a channel or is in a bear market, but it does shows me tickers that are in that was in a bull strength yesterday. So I want to save this. I'll go to filter view, save as filter view, and I will change the name into a breakout. This is what I'm looking for. Okay. Now we go to, if let's say Google Sheets generate a new list, all I have to do is I don't have to click Control A and everything. All I have to do is just data, filter views, and click on breakout. And what it does is basically presents to you the prepared or the safe filter views that you wanted to see. Okay, how about pullbacks, weakness? I prepared here, and as you can see, there's a bullish engulfing candle 2 days ago, and there's a red bar which is a pullback. So INO. So this is a bullish engulfing candle 2 days ago, and there's a weak pullback because the trading volume is pretty low. Let's find another example. CIDM. Okay, I clicked wrong. Let me close this. CIDM. Technically it isn't wrong, but this is clearly a down market. If you want to buy long, if you want to go long, you can go in at the last bear candle. Okay, let's find another one. Waiting for pullback, bear close below NLY. Great, so this is obviously a bull market with bull strength and a weak pullback, because the trading volume for the bears was only 8 million, whereas the trading volume for the bulls 2 days ago was 15 million. So it's a pretty weak market. Okay, so I'm gonna save this. Okay, let me save this. I'm gonna create filter view and save this as pullback. Okay, good. So right now, if let's say my Google Sheets Google Sheets updated the list, and I do not want to go through the process of clicking here and there. All I have to do is go to data, filter views, and click on pullback. Okay, but I never create a breakout list for this. Let me create a breakout list for this. I'll show you. Create a filter views. Okay, let's see, breakout list. I need weakness on the first day and strength on the second day. Okay, there isn't any. Let's try this. Let's see, look for weakness like a pullback. So we create a filter for this. Pullback. Clue, first green day. Okay, so we only have INO. Strong. It's clearly a pretty strong pullback. Well, the Google Sheets reflected what I want to see, but it doesn't tell me the trading volume for the day. So if I want, I could create a new filter to specifically target the volume, trading volume, and the candlestick of the current day, of the yesterday. So right now, if let's say the list gets updated again, and all I have to do is just click filter views and do my breakout or my filter. Oh, okay. So I forgot to take this out. Let me delete this. Okay, we're back to square one. Filter views and breakout. There. So what we have here is a prepared, pre-filtered views that you can use in Google Sheets to scan for setups that you wanted. Now do you understand how to use custom filter views to scan for setups that is already pre-made on your Google Sheets? If you've got any questions, leave your questions in the comments below. And if you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks and goodbye.